How y'all doing? Make some fucking noise. Trying to prepare myself, I've been overly stressed. The artist plays on this road to success with no regrets, taking more, getting less. It's the way of the system, brothers and sisters fighting each other. We won't listen. We all victims. Do we accept that fact? We can feel and destroy things to get that back. Gotta go for it. Ain't no apology, excuse. Do you research and put that technology to use? Been discouraged and laughed at from all of the abuse and the mistakes you made that fall upon the youth. Revolution is something they hate to see. The foundation of how the nation was built is all slavery. The history of the world is the same. So at times it's frustrating, believing in some change. I still roll up and I wonder what this life becomes. It's high as the sun, and wait for when this time has come. One, everybody come on, put your hands